Firstly, turn the AC breaker off. Set up a ladder on even ground to safely remove the panel. Units will either have a large or small panel. Remove the outer screws at the corners of the panel and set aside for safekeeping. Large panels will often have cables attached so the panel can remain open while replacing the filter. Slide the old filter out and dispose of it. Insert a new, same-size filter with directional arrows facing up. Replace the cover and reinstall the screws. And you're all done.